Everything we do in this world, there is always a repercussion. Not let anybody tell you say karma is not real. Karma is real. And when they come, they knock door. Now pray, we dey pray, say God, if karma come, make we know say now karma na we dey pay for. My lovely fans, grandpapa have started begging me Edochie. They don't dey beg me Edochie. According to wetin they carry, come tell us so, they say grandpapa reached out to me Edochie, begging me Edochie say make he forgive his son. Anything when his son yo do am, make he forgive am. Say he know say yo betray me Edochie. Yo betray their trust, their love. He destroyed their home. He disgraced her publicly. He did a lot. He cannot even mention all. But he wants me Edochie to forgive his son. He wants me Edochie to have mercy on his son. And me Edochie tell grandpapa say, Yul Edochie should go and beg forgiveness from God. Not be she, me Edochie, now he will forgive him. She has moved on with her life. She has forgiven yo. But her own forgiveness does not count. Forgiveness comes from heaven above, from God Almighty. Yo should go to God and ask God for forgiveness. If he may Edochie forgive yo, and God refused to forgive yo will still be inside that sin. He should go and beg God for forgiveness. Now grandpapa tell me Edochie say no. They say now you, now we need to beg. We need to beg you to have mercy on yo. Now me Edochie saying don't forgive you. But make una remember, make una go beg God for forgiveness. My lovely fans, a lot is going on behind closed door. Yo hand the meter. Yo is not just restless because of anything. According to what we hear, they say for the past few weeks now, Yo has been having a terrible dream. Terrible dream that is almost like reality. Yo they dream they see a grandfather, a late grandfather, that is the father of Pete Edochie. Yo they dream they see a late grandfather. They come with better koboko. They wire a bomb in fion better koboko. Now the late grandfather tell the gbasbosa. If you not dream, see that one. The late grandfather go dey pursue am, go dey chase am for dream. Yo go wake up, you go dey breathe. So this thing have continued. They say you not fit on dey sleep for night again. He brain dey hot. They say the spirit of a late grandfather is chasing him. When you see say this thing don dey too much, to the extent, if he sit down like this, it go be like say they see the grandfather. They give am thorough warning. You now run to the father and say, wetin they see don pass am o. Be like say family problem, own problem don come. Because how can he be dreaming of his late grandfather chasing him in the dream? When the papa hear, now papa say, this is an ancestral work. As Yul Edochie tell the papa, now the papa run go in Tenje, go gather elders. Tell them say, see wetin dey happen to his son. See wetin dey happen. The spirit of his late father is chasing his son. He don't know what is happening. He tried to call his ancestors. They turned their back against him. He don't know what is happening. Now the elders for their village tell grandpapa, let them do their own. When they do their own, they found out strange things. They tell grandpapa, say, grandpapa, you and your son, the ancestors say, make una go market square. Market square, that is for their own paternal home for Integer there. Around 12 in the afternoon. Because when they say go 12 in the night, it's something you did in the dark. Go 12 in the afternoon, it is a public disgrace. They say 12 in the afternoon, grandpapa and his son need to go to their village market where everybody go to sit there. They go kneel down at the center of the village market and they will start apologizing to me Edochie. Whether me Edochie dey there or not dey there, but they need to do it. They go kneel down and start apologizing to me Edochie. And when they are going, they will wear white cloth, put that leaf for their mouth. Take waka go the village market square to go and ask May Edochie for forgiveness. They said both of them, Papa and Pikin. Now grandpapa look ground, say, Ebubedike, Ogidi Gada, tie wrapper, pull leaf for mouth. They go village square. How? Now they tell grandpapa, say, how? Because the tears of May Edochie is ringing in the ears of your ancestors. The betrayer was not only your son, you were also part of the betrayer. So they seek both of you. Now they tell grandpapa, say, the earlier you do it, the better for your son, because his condition will become more critical. Now they tell grandpapa, say, after they don't do that one finish, then grandpapa will bring Yul Edochie eldest son. Now the eldest son, now he go do the appease to the spirit of the ancestors, because the ancestors are angry with your son. Kambilishukwu, una late grandson when he died, has refused to unite with his own ancestors, which is an alo. The boy say he seek revenge, that what they did to his mother, they must confess. Say they must confess. Say he seek revenge for the mother. Every soul, everybody that hurt the mother, they shall pay for her tears. Your late grandson, Kambilechukwu, refused to unite with his ancestors. He's wandering around the spirit world, seeking for revenge. He said the tears of his mother, they must pay for it. Hey, my lovely fans, matter don't pass wetin grandpapa think. After they tell grandpapa, now grandpapa run kitikiti, run katakata, go call May Edochie. He can't tell May Edochie, say, he won't beg May Edochie something. May Edochie, can you bring Kambilechukwu to them in Iteje? Now May Edochie say, to do what? Now grandpapa say, because there is something ancestral when they want to do. And they need Kai to be there. Make it come help them do. May Edochie say never still understand. Ancestral waiting. Ancestral waiting. Now grandpapa say, the fact is that, see waiting they happen. He can't explain. Give me Edochie. Say you right now. The spirit of a late father, that they flog and they go. And according to the elders, the only person where if you go appease the ancestors on behalf of you now is his eldest son, which is Kai. They say because Kambilechukwu spirit is angry. Kambilechukwu need to see somebody when he be say he's not angry with, for these appeals to their ancestors to be done. So they call the tell May Edochie say, make him carry Kai, come give them. Now May Edochie say, God forbid. May Edochie say, God forbid, Holy Ghost fire, blood of Jesus. Not be his son. Now I want to do that rubbish. Not be his son. Now I want to go do juju. She is a Christian. And the altar she belongs to, that is where her children belong to. She is a Christian. Her children are Christians. They have nothing to do with ancestors and tradition. It's not part of them. And it will never be part of them. Now May Edochie tell grandpapa say, they can't believe where you carry go. They go do all the ancestral things. Enoch bad. Bring him, he's the senior son. He need to do Obi. He need to do this. They did everything on him. Enoch by. Now May Edochie say, stay off my children. Anything that have to do with our children, they should be very careful. Because as she did now, she's like a wounded lioness. Don't ever tell her such a word. Don't let her remember her pains. Don't let the tears of her late son drip down her eyes. Nobody go like her. Now dear grandpapa no say, May Edochie, if they like, make the earth touch the sky or the sky touch the earth. May Edochie is not going to release her son. Now grandpapa pass backyard, go call Kai. Say, Kai, my son, see what is happening. Can you please come to the village? There is something important you need to do. Now Kai tell grandpapa, say, no, they go eat engine. Say, it's okay where is anything that is happening there, it should be there. He's not interested. Now grandpapa come tell and say, this one way happen, so you need to be interested. Because it's something concerning your father. Now Kai said that must be very interesting. What is it, grandpa? Now grandpapa come tell grandpikin, tell Kai say, your papa fit go at any time. They need to save him. Now Kai say no understand. Father, you, the spirit of the ancestors are chasing him. His grandfather, which is his own father, Peter Edochie, they are chasing you. And if care is not taken, they can even buy him, or they will just take him like that. Now I tell Kai say, the only person that can save him right now is you. Please do not turn your back against your father. They say now Kai boss laugh. Now I tell grandpapa say, so the spirit of his great-grandfather is chasing his own father. Hey, flogging him. Say yes. And you said that he need to come to the village to do the appeals to the courts so that they will not buy you or take him. Grandpapa say correct. Now Kai say, grandpapa, I beg, let the spirit of the ancestors, let them take him. Make them not the chaser, make them the flogger, because that chasing go still see chance they run. They should continue flogging him so that his brain will reset. Now Kai tell grandpapa say, why is it that every little thing about this your son, you go they run, they call people, come, let's save him, come, let's save him. When your son they misbehave, why you know they talk to them? Why is it that you don't advise him? The problem where they are not being used the hand causer. Now see the kind disgrace when he disgrace himself on social media. A very self-centered man, a man that have grown-up children. Before he do anything for outside, he go say, make people not come laugh my children. He go say, oh, make people not come they talk for my children back. Kai say in day school now, do you know how many people they'll say, look at you, your son. He says son will laugh. Because his father has made them a laughing stock. He said, if not that he's a strong boy, do you know what it is to enter university with a papa like you disgracing them on social media? Now Kai tell grandpapa say, let the spirit of the ancestors where they chase us, so they should stop chasing him. They should stop flogging him. Let them come and take him and go join the further side. Make everybody for rest. He has become a insensibility on social media. It's disturbing. Let them come and take him. Which one is here? They are chasing him. They should not take him. Let them come and take him. That guy say, grandpapa, let me shock you. As you don't tell us so, you won't use Bible till they pray. Till they beg God, say, God, touch the heart of the ancestors. Let them stop the flogging and chasing. Let them come and take it. Then they say they don't tire. Now grandpapa say, Kai, why will you say such a thing about your father? Now Kai tell grandpapa say, why will your son be disgracing us everywhere? Have you ever sit down to know that your son is disgracing us? When it reach time to help your son, you will call everybody. Come and save him, come and save him. Kai say this time around they will take him. Let them take him fast as they can. He go use prayer to back him up. Beg that ancestor, say, oh, please, great grandfather, take him every morning when he wake. That will be his prayer. Chai, look at what his son is saying about the father. That is to tell you how no sensibility you don't become. When we they tell and say this social media, Oga, respect yourself. Behave yourself. You will come at the right waiting okay. They do all kind of no sensibility on social media. Peter Edochie can't start to the beg Kai. Kai say nobody should beg him. If na he be the last person wey won't save his papa go buy. Now so he tell grandpapa. When Kai talk that word hit grandpapa. Peter Edochie weak when Kai talk that word. Kai say if Naim be the last person to save his father, let his father go and join the ancestors. And very fast. Brutal. That is how you has offended his children. This shows you how the children have totally cancelled him for everything in their life. A good father, responsible father. Your grandpapa will come tell the person, say, oh, we need to save your father. The child will even run faster than the grandfather. But look at it today. All of them turn their back against you. Kai say no, they go. Grandpapa going to think in life. Because the first step they have to do is go to the village market. Tie wrapper for chest. Is go to the village market to go and apologize to Mee Edochie. Then the second one is for Kai to come and beg the ancestors. Because now only Kai hand, now he clean up for that lineage. Now only Kai if he do one. No other person will if he do that thing to their ancestors. They tell grandpapa say the spirit of Kambele now they cause wahala for everywhere. Say the spirit of Kambele has refused to rest. You know, say some spirits they when they basbos or say, okay, after all, let me go and rest. Everything don't go. They say Kambele spirit insists that revengers for the mother. The tears they cause the mother, the pains they put her mother through, he say all of them must pay. Remember, this boy has always seek for revenge. What did they do? Grandpapa and his son, they go put shame. They go shame the spirit of Kambele. They go put candle. They go put native pot. There was nothing they did not put in Kambele grave. There was nothing they did not put in Kambele grave just to silence this boy. They shame her, they do everything. But the boy refused to rest in peace. He said justice must take place. And he stand his ground. Let the boy fight his battle. They were tying him. Now they say Kambele has refused to unite with his own ancestors for there. He called them betrayer. He said they all betrayed his family. And he needs justice. And he's fighting for justice for his mother. Hey, Chineke, my lovely fans. They say now the spirit of Peter Edochie Papa. Now he can they cause kasala now. Now they cause kasala. The kind bass so that they bass you. Hey. Say because they betrayed Mee Edochie. He say even grandpapa, which is Peter Edochie, say you join. He say all of now. One no go come out. All of now. Now need to go and beg Mee Edochie. This life now time of day. You see this life, some people think that God does not fight their battle. Some people think that God has abandoned them. He fights a battle that you cannot see. He fights a battle you cannot see. Mee Edochie not know what they happen now. Grandpapa and his son need to go to village market 12 noon to go and apologize to Mee Edochie. Mee Edochie don't need to be there. They need to go and do it. It's kind of tradition. You see the Mee Edochie where they look say not be anything. You see the Mee Edochie where they not value. But today, see what is happening. If they ever tell grandpapa say a day like this will come when they go kneel down, say you won't beg Mee Edochie, not go believe. God walk in a mysterious way. Kambele say no peace for all of una. They say the boy has refused to rest. Since when he died, that boy refused to rest. He's even fighting his ancestors in the other world. He's fighting them. He refused to unite with them. He called them betrayer. And it is an allu for one ancestors to be in another place. Now make if person buy for anywhere, they'll say bring it hair, bring it fingernails, bring anything we container, bring and come. There is a reason why they do that thing. You think say now they just carry and come and they put them for them. No. He need to connect with his ancestors. He need to reconnect. If he did distance, trouble don't come. Allu abomination don't enter family. But Kambile Shuku refused to associate with them. And with that anger, they've come to flog Yo-Yo. Make it confess for the village market everything that they did. One dash shall never end. The one way sweet me past na me Edochie. Me Edochie say his son have nothing to do with them. Even the son still shock them. This is just the beginning. You never see anything. All the pains una cause me Edochie. All the tears wey that woman cry. Una think say nothing go happen. Una say as her son dey fight for her. That is how you people cause that pains. One dash shall never end, my people. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.